will tell million lies to keep covering the one lie. That is why it's not good to lie. When you lie one lie, you will not be sleeping. You will be having sleepless nights. In the night, you'll be like, what next? What will I say next to cover this lie? What next again will I say to cover this lie? Only you will be judging yourself. Hey, should I say like this? I think I should say like this. Or should I say like that? I think I should say like that. Only you day and night, you will not rest. Because you'll be calculating what next to say, what next to do, to cover the lies that you lie. That's why it's not good to lie. So don't lie. Some people now cannot sleep. They can't rest. Even though they feel they are the guy on top. They have put you in prison. They have put you in a refugee camp. Yet, those that are supposed to be sleeping, they cannot rest, because when you tell one lie, you are left to tell million lies to cover the single lie you lie. And the gullible people will still be believing, no. It's only women that have been in a relationship or in marriage innocently, without knowing whom they are married to, and this kind of thing happened to them, that they will just say, yes, it's possible. Yeah, this person has been in a blind marriage. I just want to leave one story. The important thing that is very necessary to me now are the ones that you are hearing. When the trouble they are giving themselves, the attention they needed is more than anything on earth. Do you understand me? I know the lies, we can always settle the lies anytime, any day, as long as we are alive and God keep us moving in good health. But tell your master of lies that one. I just want to drop this story so that you hear it, and because like that story, that is attention that is seeking is going down. I want to give him more stories so that he can go and start more until we are ready. Wait now, mommy is talking. Do you remember time of Mesafize? Mesafize. This man break every egg. All the eggs in Europe, we break all of them on the road. If they break on the road, he'll be breaking in what is it called? Graveyard. He will carry broom and be sweeping streets. He will be laying curses, this and that. This one, he called these gods. He called another gods. He called gods from ground. He called gods from hole. On top of waiting you do. You were doing all that unknowingly to me, that you actually took advantage of a victim. As a good woman I was, good wife I was thinking, where will this lady pick Bola from go snap now? What kind of deformation is this? No, I need to put an end to this. I run kitty kitty kata kata kete kete. They look for where mercy dey. Where you go pick Bola for? The Bola don't dey for street. Waiting happen. When I watch, they can't swear where this man dey Europe. They swear they break egg. Egg no dey for Europe again. People they buy one egg for 5 or 10 euro because he has finished breaking all the egg on top of Mesafize, claiming he did not do. Mesafize was deforming his character. But be so this man come Nigeria say, Oga, come first, make we even talk this thing. Waiting this lady they talk, if I dey see some, make I at least make I speak broke, make some people hear this thing. All this blogger where they like, oh boy, wait now. I know say you are happy. Hold on first. Waiting happen. Maybe so I can't discover say then do. You do. Why you can't they break egg? They cause this woman up and down. They sweep street for Europe up and down. Waiting happen. You even do say you describe this lady body, everything. How you bring this one, how he bring a CD to come and meet you in the hotel. Okay, so you did it and you were lying. So what picture were you posting? What picture were you? I don't understand. But to you, you think you do that, you want to say it on social media, do this, do that. But at the end of the day, you are the one that took advantage of a victim, because both of you did not just meet yourself and you decided. She was your victim. She came to complain to you. And you took advantage of her because you were in a position to assist. She don't have money for house. She don't have money to feed her kids. She don't have money to feed herself. So maybe you lie this kind of bunch of lies that you are lying up and down, that some, I don't want to insult anybody. You just believing because you are running helter-skelter, saying things because you feel I have important thing to give consigned, other than this your dirty play, whatever you are doing on social media up and down. You know? The kids are quite excited, my dear sister. You know? And at the end, some of you should remember January, when I discovered this thing that he did, and all this abracadabra and social media game that you were playing up and down. I went on social media. I greeted everybody January, and I said, I forgive everybody that offended me and people that are offended, including Ms. Afize. So if I see her to be an enemy that truly the lady just formed story and started talking nonsense about him, or tried to set him up, and as he claimed to, I wouldn't have. But I look back and say, this is terrible. For you to take advantage of a victim, and you know that you did that probably because she doesn't have anything then. I never knew. But at the end, just look at. History will vindicate. I don't need to rush. I don't have time for nonsense. The right time, the right thing will be done appropriately. I'm not a noise maker. Then I want to drop this for his gullible fans that are talking trash there. I know some dirty ladies like some of you. You will still want to fall victim. It is your choice. Because when you believe such nonsense lie that you don't calculate, some of you don't use brain. That is why if you're attending cases, you see the comments will be upside down. You say, Uche have confessed. I'm forgiving them. I want to forgive them. In your shrine. That 419 center that you put there that you are using to deceive people. If there is anything at all, you sit there and talk that nonsense. And you that is even you video everything. If they cough, you video. If they do this one, you want to video. How comes that you did not record Uche confession? Only you listen to Uche confession. Only you did not play it. And you say, Uche has confessed. King, you don't want me to talk a bit? Oh my daddy. Hey, I see you. Come here. Yeah, my dad. Yes. That way. Yes, so my dear brother, sister, I beg, I never see the money. Oh, you know, say the children are my children alone, and you people's children. My children don't have father. His name is King David Jesus. King David rose Jesus, and Queen Maria rose Jesus. So these children are for you people. The children don't have father. You guys are his father and her father and him, you know. So please, if the mommy should talk something reasonable, you say, Mom, please turn and face me. I need your time. Just take yourself off from that trash, you know. So you Uche confess. Lai Mahmoud no tell na say this is Uche confession. You know poster. Only you listen to Uche confession. You know. You know, Uche have confessed and you have forgiven the Oga. Go and first of all forgive yourself that your dirty lies you are lying up and down. And stop deceiving people with that abracadabra you are doing there. You get me? Thank you, blessed. Yes, so please, I just on our own catching our cruise. They send it to me. I said, please, I don't even have time to go to social media. There's no time for social media now. The time I have now, I take kids and those that love me also know that. So responding to irrelevant things is quite unfortunate. And I don't think I have that time for that. He dragged Monica for 15 years. I asked the brother last month when he started another one again. I asked the elder brother, why is it that this man will not let this married woman rest? What is the problem that this man keep dragging this Monica up and down? He said their matter started since 15 years ago. I said, but Monique, the woman is talking about me. I don't know what transpired between these two people where they are licking their ass and licking their foot. What is my involvement in this matter? The elder brother said he started 15 years ago. I said, well, I think I need to also call Monica to just have to put an end to this because I don't like that. He said, anything you want to do to Monica, I'm ready. Whether spiritual or anything, I am ready. You know that kind of a thing. You will drag people, you lie against them, you do this one, you do that. Well, I don't know what's transpired between him and Monica, so I cannot say lie. I can only talk about myself and those I know quite well. So it's not about response, but when you lie one lie, you keep lying, million lies, you cannot have rest because you keep lying. Merry Christmas, my beautiful people. The kids are wishing you Merry Christmas ahead. Yes. And we will celebrate you soon. Soon. Yeah, say hello. Say hi. King, say hello. So, this is the only thing that they will just announce when we are closing and when we'll be resuming. Okay? But for now, please bear with us. Thank you. I was thinking same. How come? Imagine, my sister. It's not everybody that think when they just go and ring that bell will come to social media when he lied and you don't know what to say again. Only him will be picking left and right and front and back, forgetting. When people are not calculative, they are always like this. Huh? Uche has confessed. Uche said he do. Uche have called me laugh and say, this man don't they run mad, eh? I say, I think, did you have mad clothes? You better send it to him. Uche say, your husband confessed. Yeah, Uche say, I confessed on my phone. Which phone? I be then the code number from abroad again. Okay, please tell me the code. How did they code number to hide number to call from abroad? I say, well, I don't know. Exodus 14:14. Moside, thank you. Yes, so Joma, that is what I'm doing, my darling. That is most paramount. Every other thing is secondary, and it can come and go, and can still stay and still face it at the right time when you are fit to do. But nobody born of any woman can distract me giving attention to the best in my life. So please, someone will say, okay, what this man is providing, this woman is wicked, oh, this man is wicked, oh. I said, oh my goodness. I pity who no pity some of them now. I promise I will always do. Thank you. I'm going to see. Thank you, Josephine. God bless you. Hi. How's you? Hope you guys are enjoying yourself. Thank you, Bibla John Igani. Honestly. You know. Don't ask me apropos. Mojirade, if truly you didn't do what you are accused of, then the Lord will fight for you very soon. I say very, very soon. Very, very soon. Very, very soon. You must not make noise. I don't owe anybody explanation. It's only God that will win. They say history will vindicate the just. So if you say I do, fine. If I did not do, so who will you explain to? How many will you tell I did not do? Or I do? It's necessary. The babies are doing greatly, my dear. The babies are doing fine. My ex. Jehovah. I beg, I just want to come drop and send the message, go meeting follow fans, tell the fans to ask some questions. You must drop Uche voice to, at least now don't hear Uche voice before. Kemi, how are you? Kemi, I can see your face. So when I tell Uche, when I tell her to drop Uche voice, the conversation, because it can never happen in this life. It can never happen. For this matter, Uche won't confess. I do. Now somebody no record the Uche voice. The confession will lead to forgiveness. How about now? Make na dey fear some of una dey fear now. You go like this line now, you no go fear. You go carry yourself go sit down top of that dust where you dey call temple. You go even dey lie again. Say you dey forgive, which you don't confess. How about that alone should even let people know who you are. I beg Jare. Good radiance to bite rubbish. Love you, Jare.